Hey you guys, today I'm going to be using a large wood round, two smaller wood rounds, and the bigger chalkboard and a couple smaller ones. Welcome, my name is Tasha and my channel is Sunflower Tasha DIYs. If you're new here, we'd like to go ahead and hop right into my first project, and this is what it's going to be looking like here. And the first thing I do here is stain the outside with this antique wax. You guys, that chalkboard, my daughter just graduated college, and when we went to pick her up and get all of her stuff, she said there was a little spot down there that we could just take whatever we wanted. And she said there was a little art cart, so I found a bunch of these yeah, these frames. So I have a few more in my stash I can play with, and they're double-sided, so that's amazing as well. Here I'm just painting this large wood round. I believe these came in a pack from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just giving I can't talk. I'm just giving this like one coat of the white gesso that you can get from Walmart. And I'm doing this on my mixed media journal, you guys, so I can do something with that later. Don't want to waste all the paint, so. Here, this rub-on transfer is from Christian Craft Paper. I absolutely love their little cute little transfers that she does. And I joined a collaboration today, you guys, Summer Inspiration with Loli and Katie, Loli D's Creation and Katie, Lady Red Crafting. And their guest host today is Monica from Up All Night DIYing. That, I will link everybody's channel down in the description box so you guys can get some more inspiration from the host. And I'll also link the playlist from everybody that joined the summer collaboration, the summer, I cannot talk today, you guys. Summer inspiration collaboration. And yeah, then after I'm done putting the rub-on transfer, you guys, I'm using this walnut stain around the edging here, and we'll just do like a circular motion all the way around it. Love, love, love this, you guys. Again, we want to say thank you to the host today for having us on the playlist to give you guys lots of inspiration of different ideas and ways maybe you can pull something from each one of our videos to make like your own ideas. Sometimes that always helps when creating. So make sure you watch everybody down in the playlist. I will have all that stuff, like I said, linked in my description box, and I'll link it in the comments, you guys. So once I'm done with all that, we're going to just use some tacky glue, and I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to, you know, make that stay right now. And I absolutely love how this turned out. It was super simple and quick and easy project. And I'm loving the rub-on transfers. So here is a picture of the next two. We're going to put these two together since it's kind of a repetitive craft here, and there's no sense of breaking it up into this video up into 3 different projects when we can just do these two at the same exact time, you guys. So while I was gabbing away, I want to show you here. I just used these little pliers here and just pulled these right off. It was really simple. I have arthritis. It wasn't that tough. So I stained them with that antique wax. And then here I'm also going to be painting on some of that gesso, the white gesso that you can pick up from the Walmart. And again, we want to go ahead and pop up the host nice and front and center here so you guys can get a good look at them. So we can thank them so much for putting this together, you guys. While I paint these circles. They're going to leave a couple more circles here on my page, and it's going to look so cool when I actually get to that and do that. So if you guys like journaling, like any of those kind of things, I am adding that to my channel, so I have other things I can post here. So you guys, I'm just cutting up the fruit. I kind of like, I didn't use what she had on the page. I kind of like took a piece from one of the pieces on there. So you guys can do that too on any kind of rub-on transfers that you have in your stash. You don't have to, you can just cut around things too. I've done that quite a bit. So we're going to do the same thing here with the walnut stain, you guys. And I'm going to have these, I'm going to put these up in my kitchen. I don't show you them at the end in my kitchen because I'm not exactly sure how I want to put them up. And by the time I was done with this video, it was super dark and super late. And I'd rather do that in the daytime where I can have more light and see in my kitchen more better with the natural light hitting the walls. So you guys, I used pop dots here to just adhere those down, and then I will add a hanger. What do you guys think? This little like trio thing here turned out cute. Now I have some thumbtacks here and they're white, and I just cut a little tiny piece of it off, and then I'm just going to pop them on each corner on all three of these frames, and I'm just going to hammer that down with the thing that I cut. That's it. And I do the little ones too. The little chalkboards. These are so adorable, and you guys don't have to ever use these as chalkboards. And I love the little black pop off the background. Yeah, my kitchen is done a little bit in lemons and strawberries, so I have a little bit more lemony on here than I do the strawberries, but I think I'm going to add more. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for watching my video today. You can tap my picture now to subscribe to my channel, or you can watch either one of these videos here to get some more inspiration. And again, we want to thank the host. And God bless.